Welcome to SAP Business Technology Platform Registration. Let's get your SAP BTP trial account set up. This means creating a free, temporary account to explore SAP's cloud platform. For instance, a developer can use it to build a simple app that tracks inventory. Now you have the first step to start experimenting with cloud services. This process takes about 10 to 15 minutes. In simple terms, you will complete a few quick steps online to create your SAP BTP account. For example, like signing up for a new email service where you enter basic details and verify your identity. So you can be ready to explore SAP BTP in no time at all. You will have full access to explore all trial features. This means no restrictions. You can test every tool and service available during your trial period. For instance, try building a simple app using the Business Application Studio to automate a task. This hands-on freedom ensures you gain practical, valuable experience. We will guide you through each step. This means we will provide clear, sequential instructions to help you successfully register for SAP BTP. For example, we will show you how to create your account, access the cockpit, and set up your first service. This structured approach ensures you gain confidence and complete the process smoothly. Begin your registration process here. Go to sap.com/BTP-trial. This is the direct web address to begin your free SAP BTP account setup. For example, a developer wanting to test a new app idea would enter this URL to instantly access the platform. This single step is all you need to get started immediately. Click Start Free Trial button. This is the first step to create your SAP BTP account and explore its services without any initial cost. For example, a developer wanting to test application hosting can click it to instantly access the platform. This single action unlocks your journey into SAP BTP. Choose your region nearest to you works best. This ensures faster access and better performance by connecting you to a data center close to your location. For example, if you are based in Germany, select Europe, Frankfurt. This simple choice optimizes your SAP BTP experience from the start. You will see the registration form appear. This means the online page where you enter your details to sign up for SAP BTP is now visible and ready for you to fill out. For instance, after clicking Sign Up on the SAP BTP website, this form loads. Now you can proceed to create your account. Completing your personal information details. Enter your first and last name. This means typing your given name and surname exactly as they appear on official documents. For instance, if your name is Maria Garcia, you would enter Maria in the first name field and Garcia in the last name field. This ensures your identity is correctly recorded in the system. Provide your business email address. This means using the email from your company, not a personal one like Gmail. For instance, if you work at Contoso, you would use an address like john.doe@contoso.com. This ensures all official training communications and system access are securely managed through your organization. Select your country from the drop-down. This means choosing your nation from a list to ensure your information is accurate. For instance, when signing up for an online service, you pick your country to receive the right services and comply with local rules. This simple step helps personalize and validate your profile details correctly. Choose your company organization type. This means selecting the category that best describes the business or entity you represent, such as corporation, non-profit, or educational institution. For example, a university would select educational institution to ensure they receive appropriate services and pricing. This simple step customizes your SAP BTP experience to your specific organizational needs. Creating your account details. Choose a subdomain name. This will be your unique URL. This is your personalized web address for accessing SAP BTP services. For example, if your company is Best Bikes, you might select Best Bikes as your subdomain, making your URL bestbikes.account.sap.com. This ensures your account is uniquely identifiable and secure. Create a strong password. This means using a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to make it hard for others to guess. For example, instead of my password 123, use myp@ssw0rd 2024. This simple step significantly enhances the security of your SAP BTP account. Re-enter your password to confirm. This step ensures you typed your intended password correctly without mistakes. For example, when setting up a new email account, entering your password twice prevents future login issues due to typos. This simple verification step secures your account access from the start. Read and accept the terms and conditions. This means you must carefully review and agree to the legal rules before using the service. For instance, when signing up for a cloud storage account, you check the box to confirm you understand usage policies. Always ensure you comply with these agreements to access and use SAP BTP services properly. Registration submission is now required. Double-check all information is correct. This means carefully reviewing every detail you entered before finalizing your registration. For instance, if you enter a wrong email address, you will not receive your confirmation or access. Ensuring accuracy from the start prevents issues later. Click the Register button. This action confirms your information and officially submits your application. For instance, when signing up for a free trial service online, you fill out a form and click Register to create your account. This finalizes your submission and initiates the next steps. You will see a confirmation message. This means the system has successfully received and processed your registration. For instance, after clicking Submit for an event, a green check mark and registration complete appear. This immediate feedback confirms your action was successful. Keep this browser tab open for next steps. This means do not close or refresh this page after submitting your registration, as you will need it to proceed. For example, after signing up for an online service, you stay on the confirmation page to set up your account. This ensures a smooth and continuous process without interruptions. Email verification. Here is what you should expect. Check your email inbox immediately. This means looking for a verification message right after signing up, as delays could expire the link. For example, when creating a new social media account, you receive an email to confirm your address. Prompt action ensures you complete setup without interruptions. Look for email from SAP BTP. This means the official sender name will be exactly that, not a personal address. For example, after signing up for a trial account, this email delivers your activation link. Always check your inbox for this specific sender to proceed securely. Subject line: Verify your email address. This is the exact title of the email you will receive. For example, when signing up for a new cloud service, this email contains a secure link to confirm your account. Always look for this subject to complete your SAP BTP registration. This email usually arrives within 2 minutes. This means after requesting verification, the system processes and sends it almost instantly. For example, when signing up for a new SAP BTP trial account, you will typically find the email in your inbox by the time you switch to your mail client. This quick delivery ensures you can proceed without unnecessary delays. Completing email verification to activate your account. Open the verification email from SAP. This means checking your inbox for a message we sent you and clicking the link inside to confirm your identity. For instance, when signing up for a new app, you click a link in an email to activate your account. This quick step ensures your access is secure and ready to use. Click the Verify Email button in the email. This action confirms your email address is valid and accessible. For instance, after signing up for a new service, you receive an email and must click this button to activate your account. This simple step ensures your account is secure and fully functional. You will be redirected back to SAP BTP. This means after verifying your email, the system automatically returns you to the BTP cockpit. For instance, after clicking the verification link in your email, you land directly in your BTE account dashboard. This seamless return ensures you can continue your work without interruption. Your account is now being activated. This means the system is finalizing your registration and preparing your account for use. For instance, after verifying your email to join a company portal, this process starts. Your access will be ready shortly, allowing you to proceed with setting up your services. Account activation will be completed within the specified timeline. Activation typically takes 5 to 10 minutes. This means from the moment you confirm your account setup, the system is ready shortly after. For instance, after signing up, you can grab a coffee and return to find your account active. This quick process lets you start building solutions right away. You will receive a welcome email when ready. This means your account setup is complete and you can start using SAP BTP. For instance, after submitting your request, you might get this email the next day confirming access. This notification is your official green light to begin exploring the platform. Sometimes it can take up to 30 minutes. This means after you request your account, the system needs time to fully set up all services and permissions behind the scenes. For example, if you sign up at 3:00 p.m., your account might not be ready until 3:25 p.m. It's a normal automated process, so a short wait is expected. Be patient, your account is being prepared. This means our system is automatically setting up your dedicated environment, which takes a little time. For example, it is similar to how a new bank account needs a day to become fully active after you apply. This brief wait ensures everything is configured correctly for you to start. Accessing your new account. Go to your unique subdomain URL. This means each user has a personal web address to log into SAP BTP, like a custom entry door. For instance, if your company is BestCloud, your URL might be bestcloud.cloudplatform.sap. Always use this specific link for secure and direct access to your account services. Use your email and password to log in. This means you will enter the same credentials you received when your account was created. For example, if your email is name@company.com, you will type that and your password on the login screen. This is your secure key to access all SAP BTP services. You will see the SAP BTP cockpit. This is your main web-based dashboard where you manage all your cloud services and applications. For instance, after a developer signs up, they use the cockpit to deploy a new application and assign resources. This central view is your starting point for all account activities. Congratulations! You are now ready to explore, means your SAP BTP account is set up and accessible. For instance, you can immediately log in to build a simple app that tracks project tasks. This foundational access enables all your future innovations and solutions on the platform. Common issue: email not received. Check your spam or junk folder. Email filters sometimes misclassify legitimate messages as unwanted. For instance, a password reset email from SAP might be flagged incorrectly and land there instead of your inbox. Always verify this folder first to ensure you do not miss important communications. Wait 5 minutes and check again. Email delivery in BTP isn't instant, it requires processing time across systems. For example, after submitting a support ticket, the confirmation email may take a few minutes to arrive due to queue processing. This brief pause usually resolves the issue, so patience is key. Make sure you entered email correctly. This means checking for typos, missing characters, or incorrect domain names in the recipient's email address. For example, typing user@gmail.com instead of user@gmail.com will cause the email to fail delivery. A simple verification step can resolve this common problem quickly. Try resending verification if option available. Sometimes, the initial email gets delayed or lost. For example, if you are verifying your account and do not see the email, look for a resend button on the screen and click it. This simple action can often resolve the issue by sending a new email. Subdomain already taken. Please select an alternative. This means someone else used that name. In simple terms, your chosen subdomain isn't available because another SAP BTP customer has already registered it. For instance, if you try to create My Company, but another business has already taken it. Always check for availability first to avoid this common issue. Try adding numbers or your initials. This means personalizing your subdomain when the original is unavailable. For example, if My Company Dev is taken, try My Company Dev 2024 or My Company JD Dev. This small adjustment ensures your subdomain remains unique while staying recognizable. This simple technique quickly resolves naming conflicts. Be creative but keep it memorable. This means when your preferred subdomain is unavailable, invent a unique yet easy to remember alternative. For example, instead of My Company Dev, try my company Dev Jupiter. This distinctive choice avoids conflicts and is simple for your team to recall. A clever, memorable name ensures smooth project identification and access. The system will suggest alternatives. This means when your preferred subdomain name is unavailable, SAP BTP automatically generates similar available options for you. For instance, if Company Dev is taken, it might propose Company Dev 001 or Company Development. This ensures you can quickly proceed with a valid and relevant subdomain selection. Navigating complex enterprise password policies effectively. Password must be at least 8 characters. This means your password needs a minimum of 8 letters, numbers, or symbols. For example, instead of cat123, use a longer one like Sunshine 2024. Ensuring this length makes your account significantly harder for others to guess or break into. Include uppercase and lowercase letters. This means your password must contain at least one capital letter and one small letter. For example, instead of Cloud123, use Cloud123. Mixing cases makes your password much harder for others to guess, significantly strengthening your account's security. Add at least one number. This means including digits like 0 through 9 in your password. For example, if your base password is myastrong password, you could make it myastrong password 9. This simple step significantly strengthens your password against guessing or automated attacks, enhancing your account's security. Include at least one special character. This means your password must have a symbol like @ or hash, not just letters and numbers. For example, instead of Cloud123, use Cloud123 to make it stronger. This small change significantly enhances your account's security against unauthorized access. You are all set. Here are your next steps. Your trial account is active for 30 days. This means you have 1 month to explore all BTP services at no cost. For example, you could build a simple app that connects to your SAP system. Make the most of this period to gain hands-on experience. Explore the cockpit to see available services. This means logging into the BTP platform to browse and discover all the tools and applications you can use. For instance, you might find a service for building a simple workflow to automate employee onboarding. Familiarizing yourself here is your first step to building solutions. Try creating your first application. This means using SAP BTP to build a simple, functional program like a basic task manager for your team to track daily duties. Start with a straightforward project to see how the platform works and brings your ideas to life. Taking this step solidifies your learning and boosts your confidence. Remember, you cannot break anything in trial. This means your trial account is a safe playground where mistakes have no real consequences. For example, if you accidentally delete a test application, you can simply recreate it without any impact. So explore confidently and learn hands-on without worry.